Moving on, we have more breaking news coming in. A mob yesterday stormed and destroyed a makeshift camp of the Assam Rifles in Manipur's Kamjong district over alleged harassment and restrictions on transportation of timber. And the members of this particular group that attacked the camp in Hongbei area belong to Kasom Khulen block of the Nagam majority district. Tensions escalated following this confrontation when the Assam Rifles Jawans allegedly barred the transportation of timber intended for the construction of houses in Kasom Khulen. Now moving on, viewers, coinciding with the celebrations of Lohri festival today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be in Jammu and Kashmir. He will visit Sonmarg and inaugurate the much anticipated Zimor tunnel, which also, provides connectivity boost to Kashmir. Here's the report.
In a big boost to connectivity in Kashmir, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is likely to inaugurate the 6.5-kilometer Z Mohar Road tunnel between Gagangir and Sonmarg in the valley on January 13th. Replying to JNK CM Omar Abdullah's post on X, Prime Minister expressed his eagerness ahead of his visit. PM Modi also loved the aerial photos and videos of the tunnel shared by CM Omar Abdullah. The Z Mohar Road tunnel aims to make Sonmarg all-weather tourist destination. The tunnel will make Sonmarg accessible to tourists during winter for the first time and shorten the route for pilgrims travelling to Sri Amarnath Cave Shrine.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to inaugurate Zad Mohar Tunnel here in Gagangir, Central Kashmir, on 13th of this month. And the pilgrims who will be taking the route of Baltal for Amarnath Yatra, again this tunnel is going to be a great help to those pilgrims. It will shorten the distance and also the kind of security that would go along with those pilgrims at the time of Amarnath Yatra, that those yatris now will see ease as far as the checkpoints and the frisking points are concerned. So ultimately, this is one of the game changers for the Jammu and Kashmir.
The 6.5-kilometer tunnel will provide year-round access to Sonmarg bypassing the avalanche-prone Gagangir-Sonmarg stretch. Together with the Zojila tunnel, it will enhance connectivity to Baltal, Kargil and Ladakh, crucial for military logistics and uninterrupted travel during harsh winters.
This is a 6.4-kilometer tunnel and it has been constructed at the cost of some 2,400 kilometers, and it will not only reduce the travel time between Gagangir and Sonmarg but will provide a boost to the local economy. It will be a support to the tourists and also will give a support to the military logistics, because this is located on Sonmarg, Kargil and Ladakh highway. So that way for military movement, and also it's an all-weather tunnel which is definitely going to give boost to the defense, because usually this area is receives usually in winters the heavy snowfall. With the results, the road is cut for several hours or at times days. With the result, it also provides a bottleneck to the traffic movement, and this area has an avalanche pro. So with the coming up of this tunnel, the things will be easier for the people, for the commuters, for the tourists as well as for the travelers.
Security has also been heightened in the valley ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit. Special Protection Group has taken charge of all venues for the inaugurations and public meetings.
Prime Minister venue has been taken over by the SPG as per the itinerary of the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is concerned. For 13th of January, he will be landing at helipad of Neil Grant, which is in Sonmarg, and from there he will drove directly to Gagangir in order to inaugurate the tunnel, and he will also be holding the public interaction there. As far as the security gear up is concerned, we are seeing a security blanket thrown over in the entire Ganderbal district. The drones and the other electronic, the high modern gadgets have been pressed into service. Also, the traffic on the Leh Srinagar, which also touched in between the Sonmarg, has been suspended for the 2 days.
The project is expected to create employment opportunities for local youth, promote tourism and stimulate the local economy. Not only this, it will also ensure all-weather connectivity between Kashmir and Ladakh, vital for civilian and military access.